hopefully for me, an opportunity to challenge myself with probably some of the hot topics that people are focusing on, hear what my peers are focusing on, and hear within the professional services industry the different verticals and how they're dealing with those issues.
We're all in the professional services industry, and I found it very helpful to meet and network with people that work for an architecture firm or an engineering firm or an accounting firm. There's a lot of overlap and shared learning.
I would say that there's probably no better place for a CX professional to come to a conference. I mean, I'm in legal, so I've been to different legal marketing conferences. There might be programming here and there around CX, but it's nothing like this. So if you're trying to launch a career in CX, to meet all these people and to get all this great information, I think it can't be matched.
I think the most valuable part probably is the friends that I've made so far, the people who are here, and just getting to know the CX space, and having future mentors and thought partners as I'm continuing on my career in CX, implementing some of these projects that I've heard.
There are parts of the client experience and the employee experience that touches every single thing that I do, and things that I need to consider when I'm creating material or pushing this initiative or pushing out this newsletter. And so there are things that are definitely helpful with kind of every facet of where you are in your industry.
The content is outstanding, number one. Number two, the networking options to get to know fellows in professional services has been fantastic. And I think, it's a mix of lecture and very interactive workshops, and that's been hugely beneficial. You're not just listening to somebody on the stage, but you're actually getting into smaller breakout workshops and working through challenges as a group.
I think for anybody who is eager to understand how the role of CX and EX will fit into their organization and to the work that professional services organizations is doing for the future and how it's going to impact the top and bottom line, those are the people that need to attend this event. They're going to bring something new and fresh back to their firm each and every year that they come to this conference.